Okay, Madam Flo is here now. Tell him something. I'm the before now. No.
Okay. Please, Madam Flo and Mazi Okwuluora. My name is Mazi from Darlington. And the world are watching and they are listening to this special edition of a program that is going to help to strengthen a lot of issues in regards to fraudulent activities that happen on Mazi Okwuluora's platform. Explanation will be made and people will see who is the liar and who is saying the truth. But before I go on, I would want to remind both of you that the world are watching, and what we are going to do today is going to remain an evidence that will prove to the world who we are as a people. Please, if it is your turn to speak, you can unmute your system, because whatever you are saying while I'm speaking, or whatever Okwuluora is saying while I'm speaking, will be also heard. So if it is time, we are time to speak, you can unmute yourself. The reason is because if there are any background noises or discussion behind, it will not filter into this program, because the world are watching. I know Mazi Okwuluora is also live.
I am live
on his platform right now at the hall. So if Okwuluora, if I'm speaking, Okwuluora, you mute, Madam, you mute. You touch the mute button. Then when it is time for Okwuluora to speak, Okwuluora, you can unmute. When it's time for Madam Flo to speak, Madam Flo, you can unmute. Please, I want to act as a mediator in this discussion. I want to be the middle person here. I want to, make sure that I handle this the way it should, because in this world, Ndi Igbo it is easy to destroy people's name. It is easy to lie against people.
Can you rush it so we can get started? People are watching. Today is Sunday, so they can go back to their business.
What we are here to do today is something that needs proper explanation. You do mistake. Please take your time and pay attention, because I have to touch some things that you, Okwuluora, need to hear. It's not about Madam Flo to just come and talk about you and go. I know that after you are done, she's done, then I will do more analysis. But for now, we need to engage our people with what is happening. And the reason why I get myself involved, I want somebody to tag very dark man, VDM. I want somebody to tag Maria Waji, Elias, Afribochik. Somebody should tag these two people for me. It is very, very important that these people is tagged either on Mazi Okwuluora's platform or on Attire Biafra television platform. So I greet each and every one of you. I will let your catcher, I do
Okay. Ndi Igbo, thank you very much. And I'm speaking English because non-Igbos are watching. I want to seize this opportunity to say sorry for whatever discomfort this particular issue may have caused. And I tell you, by the special grace of God, I have done everything humanly possible to see this issue sorted, but the sabotage is too much. Every attempt I've made to report this thing to the right authority, they said no, that I shouldn't do that. But at this point in time, in fact, we've done that already. I have reported the issue already myself, and God knows what my heart, and whatever be the case, let it happen. And I'm appealing, I'm begging for the Lord to take its course. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That is what I want for you to greet them and give your opening remarks. Please, Madam Flo, I want you to greet our people in Igbo. They are listening. Go ahead, Madam.
Good morning.
Good morning,
everybody. Good morning. This is Florence.
Madam, can you be audible a little bit speak a little bit louder, please, so that
that is the way she talks. Allow her so she can flow.
Good morning, everybody. I am Florence on air now. Yeah, about the COS. So we need to talk, explain to the people how it happened that the process have gone so far for the COS. And I'm sorry, I've not been picking your calls. The last time we spoke was in December. It's not an intentional act.
I called you non-stop. I sent you text that you not. I even told Chike what happened.
I said I'm sorry. It's not an intentional act. I'm just trying to put myself together.
Okay, thank you. Madam, it's okay. I want you to be on mute now and Okwuluora pay attention to what I want to say. My name is Bobble, and today we are going to deal with on the issue of COS, Okwuluora and Wada Florence. There is a lot of gang up and there is a lot of misconception about Mazi Okwuluora, Emmanuel Oko, defrauding people or using his platform to defraud people. A lot of people have been talking about it. A lot of people have taken it upon themselves, trying to drag him and put him where he did not belong. And for the past 7 months that this issue of COS has been going on, I have not gotten myself involved in it. The reason is because I wanted justice to take its course. I wanted our people to do the needful, and I wanted Okwuluora to do the needful. Even though I have contacted Okwuluora, asking him what happened, Okwuluora explained to me in detail. I didn't contact our sister since all this while. Then something pushed me to get involved in this case. The thing that pushed me to get involved in this case is because there is a guy called VDM, very that man, who have given Okwuluora 24 hours to return a money that Okwuluora did not owe, to return a money that Okwuluora did not, taken from anybody, to return a money that Okwuluora did not even have access to. That is why I want each and every one of you that are watching this program to tag that VDM, to come and listen. My name is Bobble. Now, the person who is in front line is here to explain to the whole world what happened. And I posted on my wall about this yesterday. I was seeing a lot of response, and negative energy from my fellow Biafrans and Igbo brothers and sisters. Today, I want to put it to stop with facts and figures from the horse's mouth. That is why I try to bring Mazi Emmanuel Okwuluora, Emmanuel Oko, known as Okwuluora, and the Wada Mrs. Florence here. Both of them are online right now. And the reason why I'm doing this is to make sure that those people who have been calling Okwuluora chief, armed robber, fraudster, and what have you, to listen and pay attention to know if Okwuluora is indeed a fraudster or not. Reason, some of you are asking me not to talk. I should leave Okwuluora to carry his cross. Okwuluora is our brother. Madam Florence is our sister. The people that were defrauded are our brothers and our sisters. I am not here to justify that it is good to defraud anybody. I am not here to say that Okwuluora or Madam Florence should go ahead and defraud anybody. No. I am here to separate the wheat from chaff, and to separate corn from chaff, and separate wheat from crop. We need to call a spade on this platform. Some of you that say I should face the struggle and live about Okwuluora, mature, because Martin Namdekanu, who all of us are following me, have discussed about Jesse and Madieke. Jesse and Alice Madieke is an Igbo woman. Patience, Jonathan, is our sister. Martin Namdekanu have defended her.
One day, please allow her to talk. Now that people are here.
Madam, hold on, Okwuluora, please. I beg you, hold on. So because of all these things, our people should be allowed to express themselves. And if I am a freedom fighter, I am not just a freedom fighter for those who are talking about Biafra. I'm also a freedom fighter to issue. I want you to tell the world, because they must understand if you, Madam Flora, has anything to do with the world or not in regards to this COS. Please, Madam, don't make it too late. Cut it short and put the fact before the world, because all of them are watching. Go ahead, please.
The only thing is that I personally, I put the advert on Okwuluora's group. That was it. And the people that contacted me, they chatted me up personally. Some of them came to my house.
Okay.
And when money was being paid, Okwuluora was not aware of this. Personally, I did call him to tell him. But I only put it on his platform that anybody interested in COS should contact me. That was how I came to the platform. His account details was nobody brought his. I don't even know his account details. I've not done anything with his account before. So the other things we are done outside the WhatsApp group. The next time it was brought back to the WhatsApp group was when, unfortunately, it was discovered that it was a scam.
Madam, hold on. Madam, hold on, please. Madam, hold on. I want to moderate this with the time. If I want to see Igbo, I want to use Igbo to explain it to our mothers and our fathers that might be opportune to watch this program. Bona, na Okwuluora created the platform, Ndi Igbo na Abakotane Nyere Haka. That platform Okwuluora created. Bona, Kumu na Iji Nyere Haka. Makandi. So, that platform, when they on Manchester, Nigiri, na Liverpool, send Dala Yeriko, Gusim or business. Yes, Okwuluora created that platform. Okwuluora created that platform. Even that platform, before you need to know one day, what the forest. What the forest for the post, open the COS. Yadiko, contact, put a message, a simple message. What the forest drop on the platform, Okwuluora created. No one is making it, not inside Okwuluora's platform. She only dropped the information in Okwuluora's platform, and the people begin to contact her in her own inbox. Madam, is this what you said or not?
Yes, I am forward.
They went to her house afterwards.
And they went to her house. Then you didn't have money directly into her house. Madam, continue, please. Go ahead.
Yes, about 4 of them came to my house. So they calls on Hana chat. Abona phone. And when her guy for Okwuluora Ndigbo. And when her guy for Okwuluora with the account number, money was never in his account. Even none of them paid.
Money was never paid to Okwuluora account, and Okwuluora is not aware of what was happening about this COS. Madam, am I correct?
Yes.
Go ahead, madam.
So that was it. Until when we now discovered the scam.
Okay, when you discovered that it was scam, that is when Okwuluora came to know about it.
Yes. Because I didn't a WhatsApp group Okwuluora created. I need it on email. Hey, there was a 9-hour scam. 9-hour scam. That was when Okwuluora was away. Then when he naga on. Because like sometimes they message na too much.
Okay.
And the and they were chance. That I believe that was what happened. Why Okwuluora did not notice in time. Then when we here on a platform.
Hey, madam, we are going. Oh God. Go ahead.
So warrior. Also a notice is in here the Ranya will fake. Gather and a platform. So Kebu put the Rihanna platform. Emma Okwari was here and now Parisi Emana Udehana. So that was when
Bread of life. breath of life. Ndị mmadụ na-etiretin their fellow people.
So, Okwuluora Ndigbo, I think all APJ onye say na enwekwanụ ndị nọ na platform a na ọ bụghị onye niile nọ na platform a mere ihe COS. So na ọ dịghị mma ka a nọrọ ebe a na-aba mba a na-akparị onye ọwụwa ma akparị ndị mmadụ a na-eme noise. So because of that, they created another platform. Ha sị nke creatiziri for just all the victims. They move the victims to that platform. That was what happened.
So, okay, madam, hold on. Madam, hold on. Makana mana to get ana gosia for having can atiambo. Before Okwuluora closed the platform where people were insulting themselves and fighting each other, Okwuluora now created a fresh account, a fresh platform where the victims of this problem was moved to, that so that the issue will be treated. Is that correct? Is that what you said?
I don't know Okwuluora created the new platform. I think some of the admins, yes, because before then we had a conference. I had a conference call with most of the admins and a meeting. So they has another platform. I can't remember only area. Man or woman see Okwuluora that platform. So platform ndị admin niile nọ na platform nke Okwuluora ha nọ there before, and all the victims on their ads in that new platform.
Okay.
So that like ihe mere eji ima create another platform. Ha si na ọwụghị onye ọwụ na maka the platform Okwuluora I. So a na-aba mba na abụọ ọwụghị onye ọ na n'ebe a onye ọbụla mere COS. So ndị a mere COS a ka ewepụrụ na the platform initially create another platform for ndị COS niile ndị dị involved. Mana the same ihe ahụ mekwara na the main platform continued. So amazing case ihe anọzikwa one day as if Florence has been removed from this platform.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, that was it. So, like what I'm saying, and I keep saying it, and when onye kunyere Okwuluora ego na account ya maka COS, and when oge ewetere aha Okwuluora or account ya ka eji kunye ụgwọ for COS, and when oge mere Okwuluora involved personally na this COS.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, madam. I like the way you explain this. Biafrans and Igbos, brothers of mine, what is happening here is something that is going to remain forever, because Facebook do not forget. You may forget, but internet will not forget. It's going to be recorded. Because it is easy for people to lie against people just to bring that person down. It is easy for people to destroy somebody's reputation. What is singing, what is ringing bell right now on social media is that Okwuluora scammed people of 500 million. 500 million, over half a billion from his platform. Now, madam, I want you to go in details to explain better. How much was this 500 million that was contributed, that was given to you in regards to this COS, or how much was the amount that you collected from people in pounds? Then before we do the calculation in naira, how much approximately?
Honestly, Anamano 300 million, Anamano 500 million, Anamano 195, Amano million or not in pounds or in naira. Even if not in pounds, ego di involved Erubianina Hanamo. Because one list ndị kwuo ego na-ehapụ.
Beautiful. Can you read it out for us?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Enwere onye nke wu amanụ ịkpọwa.
Call the name. Nwere ya na-ezo ezo. Call the name. Go ahead and call the name. So nwezi ya na-ezo ezo. Okwu erugo ebe ọ ga-eru already.
Okay. enwere m onye nke we Ogechukwu ọ kwụrụ 4,000.
4,000 pounds.
Enwe onyinye
4,000 pounds. Okay.
Onyinye 35. Enwe
Onyinye 35.
Kelechi 4,000.
Kelechi 4,000.
Genevieve 4,000.
Genevieve 4,000.
Chukwuemeka 35.
Chukwuemeka 35.
Enwe Cynthia nke ya 38.
Cynthia 38.
Enwe Eugenia 4,000.
Eugenia 4,000. Okay. Okwuluora, take note of all these amounts you mentioned because I'm not with my pen. Continue, madam.
Amam can see a message screenshot because you know my name now. Then
okay, go ahead.
Enwere Bonaventure 85 nke ọ kpọtara mmadụ abụọ 85.
Okay, 85 Bonaventure.
And the onye nke ọwụmụ ya wụdị ọ ndị ọ kpọtara akpọta ndị ọ natara ego kpọta. Then
okay.
Enwere Winnerman, amaghị m ezigbo aha ya mana ọ Winnerman so name ya Eze.
Okay.
Ego ya 4,000.
4,000.
Then enwere Chidimma, ego ya 6,000.
6,000.
Then enwere Ogechukwu, emention na ya before. Then Chukwudi, ọwụghị ya nwa ọ gbọtara 4 people. I think yeah, 4 or 5 people. Mana ego ya niile dị involved is 36,500.
36,500
pounds.
Yes. Then enwere onye nke Vitalis. Ọ kwụrụ ego na Nigeria. Then ọ kwụrụ about 6 point something na Nigeria. Mana ihe ọ kwụrụ na pounds bụ 3,000.
Okay.
Then enwere Mary wụ about 4 people. Ọwụhụ Mary mana ọ gbọtara ndị mmadụ.
450 guinea. 450 guinea.
No, 4 people. What about 4 people? Oh, you're equal.
What about 4 people?
Yes,
okay.
Mary brought 4 people. Ego ya dịkwa involved 26,400.
26,400. Okwuluora, take note of all these amounts she's mentioning.
So later I will screenshot and send. So n'ime ndị akwa ndị niile ọ dị ihe a mere amatara no fake. So they were calling me their money. Enwe onye nke
madam, get you to chop that on fake.
Okay, enwere onye nke mere apply. Oge o mere apply, Home Office send the area email. See, and the COS number is not verified or is not active. I can't remember the particular word, but it means that the COS is not verified, something like that. So yeah, verify. Yeah. She now contacted me. What was this man? And forward worry and see with the email from Home Office and forward worry and see Onya email in here. The one here send the area. Or sim okay. I'll get to my boss. We are dealing with it. That was when we now discovered Incan pay. So, ndị nke ọzọ abịazie nye ha ego. So, from some of the ndị a wetere cash, because ebe a dị enwere ego n'ịga ha akwụnye dị na akaụntụ gị. Ịkwụnye ya a ga-block akaụntụ gị, then ebido mewe gị investigate. So, ọ dị ihe a mere. Then Eugenia, I gave her 2,000 out of her 4,000 okra. Then Bonaventure, ego nyeburu ya 5,000, balance ya for 3,000. Enwekwa evidence. Each of I will send all these things to you. Then
I will need it.
Onye nke Winnerman kwụrụ 3,000, enyego m ya 1,000 out of ihe ọ kwụrụ. Ndị a ndị nyegoro na ego so far. Then nke Mary n'ime ego ya enyena m ya 9,500 cash.
Ego Mary in total
26,400.
26,400, and you have refunded how much?
9,500.
9,500. Okwuluora, I would want you to be taking note of these things now. I don't die of here.
No, I will go through the video. I have the record even before now. Also, send the Golia Waja.
Good. So, Akwanam has some money. Some of them. Ego ndị nke m nwetere n'elu ya ewere na m ya enye na m ha oge achọpụtara na ihe a wụ fake. So, as it is now, on the 5th of December, I called the police. I reported. Some people, oh, why did you report to the police? You can't report to the police. I gave you some people. The police are not posing for evidence.
Okay, you went to report to police about the whole matter. Then the man is involved. Sigi, I report and I did report to some people. Is that what you said?
Yes, some people are not. See, why did you report to police? Now, I did report to some people. Now, they take 1 month. So, I did not follow it all. Police are not evidence. I didn't want to follow it all. Manaka, the press of Yakwadiadimo, I had to go back to them. Check FSN, the NRA email the police. So, as it is now, in Yahoo, the last message has sent the remove Naha transfer near to Thames Valley Police. And Thames Valley Police are like, Onya, this person Gurumwa, money all police in a cover area. And on my own side, when one night working, I hear Ujike. Money at the number, Ogi Weber. So, money is Sorona. Now, one of my brother Weber, Anyejena, Nanke, this Zimbabwe man, able be addressed, Yana Slough, and Weber Napos Slough, who've been there, Anyaho Oya. Manahasi no ya with place. They're not some tenant to Tirieba, Kai, or Hasin no here. When can I come back? Hasin a hammer up. And Eboji may agency, Ebo or record or register as agency office. Yeah. I've been there with two other people. The other time, Mona ABJ, I made a meeting. Also, okay, if we can go to the man's place with maybe 2 other people, but unfortunately, that meeting didn't hold for some reason. We've not been able, Mona ABJ, we've not been able to go to the man's place. But on my own side, I report to Onamia to the police. But the other time, I had to warrant evidence which I have sent to them.
Madam, hold on. As we are speaking now, I am reading people's comments, and I want to do something now. I want to ask you a question. This man that took to you of this money, where is he from?
He's from Zimbabwe.
Okay. Sorry. Madam, I'm coming. Madam, wait now. Hold on. Let us work accordingly. How long did you know this man? How long have you known this man?
Not a very long time.
Okay. Have you done business with this man? Have this man given you any COS before that worked?
Yes.
Can you prove that there is a COS that the man has given to you before in the past that actually worked, that was original, and there was no issue? Can you prove it?
Yes.
Okay, that is what I want to know because I'm reading people's comments. So continue what you're saying.
Okay, ihe gbasara nke a now, yawa company ya enweghị license to invite people to issue COS.
Okay.
So, let me give you example now. Ebe a na-ere mmanya now, customer bịa to me. Say money ya chọrọ star, enweghị m star biya. Bịa jezie na jezie na nke gị buru star biya. Maybe irere ya 5,000, rezie ya 5,005. So instead of him to tell me, na ndị ọ na-use na license ha, na they can't issue the like revoke license ha. He didn't tell me that. he gave this COS. He gave the fake COS. Instead of him, it was Nandi equal license. Equal license. He took the money. He gave me COS, fake COS. Yes, even this company no use COS. I've been there. I've been to that company. And when one of our brother was chicken, money is Surona, and one other lady, they involved. Man, I did let the other on this platform. Money,
Madam, hold on. I want to do the wish and the will of our people by asking you some questions for clarification's sake. Please. The question I want to ask you is this. Where is that Zimbabwean man now? Have you been arrested?
Okay. There's this man, he's from Zimbabwe. On a help with the man to recover, he go from COS. I've contacted him. Okay, I will send you screenshots and even I'll give you his number. So,
the man in question, where is him right now at the hut?
Okay, like I said, I've been to his house 2 times. I didn't see him. I didn't meet him. So, he's not picking my call. You send their message, or boy, or that reply. So, I'm member now.
So, Igranomia,
the tenant in here has him that he's not around. When can I come back to meet him? Has in a hammer.
Okay.
Even
that is the question I want to ask.
They showed me, look at some of his letters.
Maze, can you allow me to talk for just 2 minutes?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Ndi Igbo, thank you very much. Can siku before. Abu no nwe ife me metoro ogbahalu mana ihe obuna nwe ife kpatale ya. Ife abode, I think the 4th time na akpota Madam Flo na video yo ya biko see Madam Flo. How do we return these people's monies to them? Emecham see no nwe property onwe na buy again anything just to because someone the visa ha na expire that time and go with them. Mazogi ife ame achọ m igba ticket jebe UK. These same people unye Madam Flo ego na be ya si ma bia na mbia na oge mebi ha ihe. Onye obuna na akpọ m na ayom si ma biakwa na UK. My plan bon land ya na UK need me but ime UK no airport jekwuru police. Gwafa na enwe scam happen under my watch. Ha ni ne si ma bia na. Onwe ndi na si ke ihe mmego and before I go ahead. Enwe ndi na misinterpret him and onye kpo ga she can misinterpret even ife ejinaka. Ana asị nwaanyị ji wee close a WhatsApp group on a Saturday morning na November. Ka akpọ m gwa m ife ame mkpọ flow for the first time mkpọrọ ya na phone. O pikiro. Onwe onye nye m nọmba si na afia bụ Chike na enyi ya nwoke. The victims na-ekwu na Chike bụ enyi ya nwoke ama m onye bụ Chike. Ngwerezie nye m nọmba Chike mkpọ Chike si ya na-ekwu ihe na-eme osi m no in fact eji akaụntụ Chike na ego. Madam Flo ji akaụntụ Chike na people about 6,000 pounds. Isi Chike na aka gede kwa n'ife a na ị ga-enyelu m aka osi m oke na Madam Flo ga-akpọ m. Funny enough Madam Flo sendiri message kpọọ ya kpọzie m na phone ozugbo m na-ekwube yoba nwaanyị onwere ude biko ma yobe Madam Flo ọ ga-agwa gị na video isi a madam biko na enwegodo a na ị nwere onye na-ego ya na mma achọ onye ga-ego gị ya ka enyebe ndị ego. Madam Flo ju then going to the group oge ife ame oge mbịa UK adị 100 and na group a duto na group a na-enyelu people aka ndị nọ na group a bụ awesome people ha na-eme ọfụma. Isi na ị na-eje oge ahụ ebidoro ya ọfụm bịa de isi na ị na-eje even oge abịa afụm site ọbụla a na-abịa ịfụm ndị nọ na group a ga-ereceive ndị si ebe ọzọ bịa. They were doing fine. Oge ihe amezi adị 300 and because ndị nọ dị na add more people. Eruo ka ife ame ndị nke na-emere the COS na-akparị ndị nke mere the COS nwanne ịfụ threat ịfụ course ịfụ udokwu a na-ekwu na that group na-ayọ ha biko don't talk. Unu ekwuzi na ife ajọ ka don talk ka esetụlụọ. Madam Flo bụ onye Owerri ka ọ bụ n'Imo State. A na-agwa m na ụmụnne Madam Flo nwe one of the biggest hospital n'Imo State. Oye ngwa ha na group ya gwa m ngwa ha na di Madam Flo nwere aluminium company n'Imo State. Onye nwe such background na ba ya ma nwere ego Igbo ọsọ come on down. Ụmụnne ife ụdị threat na-aga na group delete katago message delete kata. It came to the point of it that anyị na-agba izu na group. He drop a voice note kita na if I get make I recover the money. Somebody na the group ga forward there to ndi na broadcast na Facebook. Nkate pa na a closed group, a fuka na play na Facebook. It became so bad in Angwa and Obona ha continue like this. Obona ha continue like this. Now you get closed group down. It became too much. Or ABJ Biko. See Biko no mo ka get see all these victims. Mepelu for WhatsApp group. Ti ha. Ka ichobega can close all that original group. And what on your na group? If you maybe and close with the group down. Oga the shameful bad. Oga the terrible na in case is meremba nkete nke bo me. I tell you the truth. Obo na mrapo that group rota I get onye ozo already there. I form one recovery group for the victims. Tinye ha niile there. And when they go see video they remove. The process, the only way to close down the WhatsApp group is to remove everybody. You must remove everybody. You want to put everybody sign or out. And then when this sinner, a close WhatsApp group to kill evidence. Obu ne work in a WhatsApp group. He get access to every information there. Just that you cannot type more. Work in a WhatsApp group. Keta. Iye ni le de na WhatsApp group before you work in ya gana afo. And what on your wopu? A close WhatsApp group down. Only if afa mad bo zemena. As your zeme kwana. A close group down. A kwa victims are join a WhatsApp group. You could go voice note na WhatsApp on the victim, a boogie on Facebook. Equal, okay, I get the police ita. I get meet you on your police in car. I get the petition on car. Tomorrow morning, I'll be tetola. If you can manage name broadcast on Facebook, you know can they play voice note equal. Voice note equal na recovery group. Na junda no UK. Onye na group na bro victim. Konye na ema iya. I shikwa na group nka accurate yozo. Agent fundi police yesterday. I file a report yesterday. Voice note in fact, I voice note. Call me yesterday. Abom the group na call. All the call 13 ka hade. Abom hana group. Gwa ho kusina ne kuya na me police get go involve. Aga unu niile. Onye amad nata wo send their family agwacha ahia. Mmadu dey na group ahụ n'ụtụtụ na ewere somebody na group ahụ record or call me yesterday. Record or see the call or say the call somebody. If I be friend na pass it through. Oh, what effort to make you borrow. But let me tell you what happened now. Now December can be police approach. Singane kwifeme. Police sim kende bo direct victims. Indi wotere ge wote. Enwo mazi no na ba ile moto. Enwo ndi lele ana. Enwo ndi lele uno. Enwo ndi lele shop ha were ego nye nda ano UK. Nda ano UK were ya nyezie Madam Flo na ekwu okwu ebe a. Police simu kpọ ndị niile ahụ. Ndị niile ahụ were ego nye ndị nọ na UK were nye Madam Flo nọkwa na UK. Mụ kpọọ ha niile ka anyị bịa ka ede strong petition ka onye ọbụla wete proof o jikwa ụgwọ. Because ụgwọ niile ha kwụrụ ndị nọ na UK bụ na naira. And ha ji akaụntụ o jikwa ụgwọ. So mụ nwa na waja na ezu ugo. We came to the WhatsApp group. Gwa ha sị ha biko na-ekwu ihe ndị polisi kwuo. Asị unu wete phone number ndị niile a unu mere COS na baa. Ha niile sị na ha dị ewete. Ndị niile a polisi abịaghị onwere ihe meme a frustrate be. Mme voice note gwa na ngeje police echi. Were voice note send ya ndị Facebook. Ebe niile mbịa na Facebook voice note the harmless na fly. Now see, are you sure you want to get your money or you don't want to get your money? I was advised about you na mo gbazie nkete. Mputa na ụtụtụ si ka ekunu me. Anyị ga-eje EFCC taa. Nkwucha ya na-ekwe plan m na ihe ngeme na ihe ngede na petition. Mputa tomorrow morning more the same night nkwuda voice note. Mfuka somebody no somewhere na play my voice note. Enwere ife me emebe. Ndị unu na rego COS nọ na buy fine. Nyenum their phone number. Mma agbaro ha niile moto. Take care of the accommodation. They will come to Enugu. All of us, and we can 10 or 20, will go to EFCC, or will go to police, or will go to DSS anywhere. None of them seen a farmer with the number. Nda were go near Madam Floss na ha man with the number. Why? Ha charge in Nigeria little. Charge is in Nigeria big. Where is little near Madam Flo? Ayo go Madam Flo biko yo kwero. Yondo nyeri ego biko kwero. Ndị na achọbụ ndị ahụ nọ na Nigeria kwụrụ ụgwọ ahụ. Nobody wants to talk to me. Eruo na December achọ ime propaganda. Eje weta picture onye nwere anwụ na Ishi ya. Na onye ahụ kwụrụ ụgwọ COS, enyere ya COS or commit suicide. The thing wutekwe m too much. Mana m si onwe ka m na-esi kwụọ ụgwọ ka emere m American visa. Visa ekwere apụta njegbuo onwe m. Apo Madam Flo, waja apo Madam Flo. Madam Flo, we mepe, wote passport ndini no na COS. Obo na picture onye ahụ asị nwụrụ anwụ adịrọ there. Madam Flo then tell the waja no nwere onye nwụ. Adịrọ m in support of ihe Madam Flo me. Mana ike agwụgo m. I've even called a lawyer in the UK. Lawyer, Sim, you can come. Ndị niile were ego nye Madam Flo, yoba mbiko ma agakwana, they will resolve it. I shouldn't get police involved. Now COS is free. Na ikwu ụgwọ COS bụ arụ. Ama when people say you did not ekpogo Madam Flo before now 3 times in a video. Ana m akpọ ichongosi gị call mụ na Madam Flo. Ana m edekatago message dojuo no way. Mkpọ ya obodo m wakpọrọ ya this morning. Oh Prince nọ na call akpọrọ ya this morning. Dizie m. Amara m ife ọzọ ga-eme. Jebe eje asị gị ọdịrọ mma, na bana asị gị ọdịrọ mma, ị nọ n'etiti asị gị ọdịrọ mma. Enwere oge nji mepe WhatsApp group. Emepere WhatsApp group ka mmadụ mee business there. Mụnwa bụ Okwuluora mepe WhatsApp group. Enye m ikikere imepe mere business there. After the WhatsApp group bụ Okwuluora UK coming. Oge m na-abịa UK, create group. Unu si na unu ga-atụ ego wee nete m anya. Nsi unu na-echange go m ego nji abịa UK. Nobody should pay money for me. Asị na onwe ka ọ dị na mbịa UK na a ga-akwụ m ụgwọ accommodation. Unu kwuru m ụgwọ accommodation na UK. I'm very happy. Unu nye m either 1,800 or 2,000 pounds. Ozugbo unu nye m the money, ewere m ya kee ụmụ akwụkwọ dị stranded. Ihe njibịa UK bụ $2,500. Abịa m Teesside University were dollar niile dị m n'aka kee except from 300. Ihe nji pụọ na Teesside University for $300. Ego ndị Anambra nye m na Birmingham eke m ụmụ akwụkwọ. Amazi m ihe m ga-eme. Ama m ihe m ga-eme. Achọrọ m ịkpọ polisi asị m mba. Ka nje UK embassy asị m mba. Ka m mee nke a asị m mba. Wete nọmba ndị na ego na Nigeria. Let's go to police asị m mba. Ihe ọbụla m kwuru na group ebuji ya na Facebook. I was advised to stop talking. Advice enye m egye niile ikwuru whatever I say a twist wo ya. Amazi m ihe m ga-eme. Thank you very much.
Okay.
With 10 million ever.
Thank you, Mazi Okwuluora. You have spoken well. The truth is this. Ndi Igbo si na onye ọ na-eme omume na-ebe ọbụbụ. Madam Flo, I hope you have the contact of all the people that gave you money.
Yes.
Good. Now, those people that gave you money, this is what we are going to do, Okwuluora, and I know that our people, even the Igbo Bunde Malife and Ndi Igbo Legend, they have a reason of man. What we are going to do is, the people that give you money, their money should be listed. Send it to me, send it to Okwuluora. So that why people are dragging you, because as it is now, Okwuluora's hand is very, very clear in this case. Based on your statement here, the only way Okwuluora is involved is that the forum, the group he created for his going to UK, was where you drop the message. And when you create a group, you cannot be 100% in control of that group.
One day they write 1,000 messages every day. I'm very busy. You're born in Mama. What be I'm somewhere now.
Hold on, Okwuluora. So if you said you dropped a message that if anybody needs COS in this group, he should contact you.
Yes.
It was not Okwuluora who made that statement. It was not Okwuluora who dropped that message. It was you, and you accepted that you dropped it.
Yes.
And the people in that forum begin to contact you. They did not tell Okwuluora
No.
that somebody in this forum is now asking us to contact her because she can provide COS. I want the people who are involved, who sent money to you, Madam Flo, to come up to say that na Okwuluora na Madam Flo ego. This is how to deal with issues like this. I want to see somebody who will come out to say, yes, indeed, before I give Madam Flo ego, Okwuluora is aware.
Mazi, let me chip in something for you. I'm story more than you. And we feme. Imana kemba na ebe nwebere onye gwa Madam Flo je wete ego ndị mmadụ nye ya. Ana m agwụ ya in private, ana m agwakwa ya n'iru ndị mmadụ. And when Bosim or Madam Flo, Anya Miriba Mananya. No, you're Madam Flo. Obugodi no Madam Flo is from a rich family. Let me tell you the truth. Madam Flo is from a poor family. Family Madam Flo Zukeme. If a man came when November last year, Parigom, Aria my Jenna, everywhere on Facebook, Okwuluora, nobody mentions Madam Flo. Obona yini where I need a team up here with the Gega Kemwe. Family Madam Flo, the very wealthy. And when Basin your child Madam Flo, see and you know Mande go near go, or sim no where going. You see, when I didn't or sim no where one of the victims, Sikunyaru Gwana, Nigerian account to Madam Flo. All the Kojeja will take out all that you did the account. That was when Madam Flo called me. Sim no chore eku gwa hongwari ya kuoma and dange jegoje tinye cut all than account ya. Onye na ekwu no na ekwu ezoku. Mmadu na gwa na okunyere ugwo na account to di Madam Flo. Madam Flo were account different account ko ja na ego. O were account onya, o were account onya, o were account onya, and the bulk of the money enyere ya in cash. These people na ejebe Madam Flo ha tukuru ana na anwore the wine, ha na enyi ya ego. You can imagine Mado traveling from Manchester to London to give Madam Flo cash. They did that many times. Nobody called me. Nobody tested me. Nobody involved me. When Obuna this nonsense may go through, all of them are going to eat their gain. All these victims were again from Akande, Nigeria. All these Madam Flo were again on Akande, Zimbabwe. Obona woke Zimbabwe na charge Madam Flo for 4,000. Madam Flo akuria naranda maybe 7,000. Everybody we again on Ifa. Hani ne we Diego Tina ba. Ana akpoma afa. Asigo mu victims are obona ngwa ginye mmadu ego. Obona ikwire ego na account m. Obona ese mo na ichori ime business sigi me bia. Kama mmele obara mule were ego ginye gi. And then man na see where have I been? I've been talking about this thing. Okwu obuna nkwuru etu wisie ya. Nkwuru otokwu okwu asi na nkwesere ina ana. Nnora na kwu okwu asi na nkwesere ike gwumo. Ayo go biko in private no way. You biko in public no way. Ya bia na say muje poke me fundraising, God forbid. It can never happen. Ebe ndị nọ na UK achọrọ ije. Yeah, Madam Flo na ekwu the funny. You send police email. I dare send the email. Obuna mwa no UK. Mwere aka muje na police station tukula na gwa ha na nno in trouble. Ha nyelu aka. How can people be suffering? People be in pain. Mmadu kporo ma afa. I have never stolen from anybody before. Mmadu na ekuta afa mu. Were photo m na aga ebe niile. Esim na send the police email. Madam Flo, why not stand up this minute and go to police? Tell police no onye Zimbabwe ogugi wayo. Go to police station. Sit down there. Sit there.
Madam Flo, listen. When you finish, you can speak. Madam Flo, wait.
My brother Prince. Listen.
Madam, hold on now. Madam, hold on.
Madam, I was in the UK. O guy who know from UK. Arobia nye mu nsogbu. Emi fe mere the thing nyekata mu nsogbu ndana na. Onye mu na no had to call police. Olu 3 minutes akpo police na UK. Ambulance bia tinye mo oxygen buru mti na moto. When you call police or go to police station, go and na anwu. Police will open your file immediately. British police na. Are you Mr. Okwuluora? Come to the UK. Tomorrow morning they from the UK. Obu na ndari unjenga. Obu na madari you know obioma kanwe kenedi chineke. How long are you going to continue to beg you? Are you going to be now? Very dark man ukuru yoku e blame ya. E blame la very dark man. No information on we ka obupute. Obu na very dark man on my phone mo no kpom na phone. All these things okuru obanku ya. Mana anu na enwere odo no watch ya na achuru ijiji. I can never stay from anybody. Talk more of ndị form n'anya. More than 90% here on a group when I left, ndị on a group started adding people for everybody. And it's good. If one neginyeli aka, one job application opportunity if we post, they will see. A ma apply with all odro nyob na ma. One on your a group me business. Or business group. Or ban a madvat business. Group on 1,000 messages or more every day. Kezi kam I'm tetulo na jenes crew ofu. Obu na make close for that group by now where's gori ozo. And let me shock you now. Due to how important that group is. Ozbon close with that group. Ndi no na group mepekwa another WhatsApp. Copy number ni ne didi tinye bazie ya fozo. Because they knew the importance of that group, the benefits. And we can have a lot of things in Aga. Eluzia nke ha mere onyu fafia. Everybody start calling my name. Ikunyere ego na account no. Igwa mo na ichoro inye mmadu ego no. Muna go nwe so discussion no. Ndi kwuru ụgwọ igwa mo mba. Madam Flo igwara mo ime business na group no. As they send the message, o ka very dark man na-eme ihe ka mfuru ya. Agwa mo no me, man, I'm just seeing the evidence for the first time. Isi na obu na you need the COS. Only a DM oge. You send a private message. They sent you a private message. They called you. They went to your house. And they paid you. Madam Flo, truth to be told, these people nyege ego. And they am eating again on the way meya. Ama mumado ne nyege ego. Ama mpahed. Ama mumado ne. Gain no ni when na that in the body. Madam Flo, almost 9,000 people now watch. Oh, it's him now. What a property get in Nigeria where settle all these people. Man in Atuase. Madam Flo, let me tell you, in internet, and we finna make it up. Many people, man, I'm going to mado. Nesia grace in where and a lot of people where ben no. Na tanish image him, na tupo mashi. Some of them non even got today. Madam Flo, Ejimobi etiwa. In fact, I had them broken. Madam Flo, Obuno nwere female. To save the situation. Nda biagwande mmadu na maburu onyori na mezunubere mmadu ori. Madam Flo chimuga ewopukwegi. Obro kwa threats. Adim broken. Madam Flo isimu na enwere uno. Mwana. Ginwa for all people na your family nwe n'Imo State. Ige elekita si onya na 10 million. Na 2 million. Na 3 million money na atuasi. Abogo mu nkiti too much. Ana ma pampa gi. Ono mem abonge Madam Flo ndi mmadụ si na me kwesịrị ịkpọ gị madam. Ayogo ngi biko November, December, January, February message can na send because it does call m. Madam Flo biko. Achọrọ m ka ịgwa ndị Igbo na ị nwere property ị ga-ere na were ego ndị mmadụ nye ha. Thank you very much.
Okay, before Madam Flo, I want to bring something to the knowledge of our viewers, those who are watching live. Right now, I am on UK government official site, and I just browsed now about this COS. The official price of this COS for this particular site can be seen by everybody. That is £239 sterling. £239 sterling. That is for worker, except workers on the international sports person visa. It's £239. The temporary worker is paying £25. Temporary worker, COS, costs £25 on that site. Then, international sports person, where the certificate of sponsorship is assigned from more than 12 months, is supposed to pay £239 also. So, can you the amount of £4,000, £3,000? Then you pay on Nigeria, now there's £10,000. There's something lady will contact very that man. Now say that she paid 20-something thousand pounds, which you confirm here, and you are giving her some part of the money. So, how can people do business in the forum where Okwuluora is? And the problem and the whole money that was collected is not put on top of Okwuluora. And people are dragging Okwuluora. Now, my question is this. How much was the amount of money that was paid to you? I don't want to know how much the people that pay you collected from the people that get the money. Is it up to £200,000 selling, madam? Because we need to iron this out. So that when people are talking about 500 million, 300,000 pounds selling, we will know exactly how much you, Madam Flo, collected. Then the people that collected money from the people in Nigeria will be dragged out. They should be made known to the world. If they attend, let's tell them come out and pay the money that they are collected from people because they make profit from it. See that it costs £239. That the temporary work is that £25. These people are collecting £10,000 selling. This
My brother, leave a VDM. Please. Brother Prince, please. I believe me gonna do me yen choke make a yana. I chom ki jo Madam Flo to give people their money.
I'm speaking to the person and Maria watching who is fabricating a lot of lies, posting things that really happened. She's something that is crying about $14,000 and $20,000 that was taken from her. Did she know that she gave it to Okwuluora? Did she give Okwuluora the money? Did she tell Okwuluora before she paid the money? Did she know that Okwuluora has any information about the money? Madam Flo, who has collected the money, the one she collected, has explained. Now it is Madam Flo's prerogative to explain to the world that I collected $1,000, sorry, £1,000 or £2,000, not £500,000 or not £300,000 that they are saying outside there. Ndi Igbo si n'eri ihe ma mbụbụ nwoke kewere n'elu. You cannot go and see an innocent man who is saving life, who is helping our people, doing something good, bring him down because we hate him.
The hate, envy, and jealous on me is too much. But we fend na gwande mmadu. Abo nwa nwa ogbenye, obodo mwa bunyire onwe m enu. O Chineke bunyi m enu. Pray to your God ya bunye ge enu. Rapu m aka. Ikwuto mu, onwe Madam Flo. Biko onwe onye isi na ogwa gị na ngwa gị wepụ 200 million na akaụntụ ka ọ bụ na ị ga-ekwuru ya ka ndị mmadụ nụ. Ada onwe voice note isi na ịchọ play biko.
Yes, Madam Flo told us in this afternoon when we were discussing with her or this morning that somebody said that they went to check Madam Flo's account in Nigeria and found 200 million, and that the Okwuluora told Madam Flo to remove the money. Now, and you say you have the voice note. If you can play that voice note to the hearing of the world, because it is easy to lie against people, but when it is time to defend it, you may be in a hot soup. Because if you don't defend it, whatever that person charges you, you will pay. I am a freedom fighter. I am a Biafran, and I'm proud to say that. So I will not see where somebody want to break my brother down because of one or two things that you have against him, be it jealousy, be it envy. It is not going to happen. So all of you that have been calling Okwuluora, come and explain that Madam Flo is here telling you people that Okwuluora knows nothing about this COS. And no amount of money was given to her. She doesn't have a dime out of it. He doesn't even have any idea, IQ about this business. So how can people, because you want to drag him down, be lying against him? Now Okwuluora, you have spoken a lot. You have said that you want Madam Flo to sell any of their property to settle these people. Madam Flo, it is up to you. Tell the world what you want to do. The issue of going to police or writing police or sending email to police cannot solve this problem. Tell the world on the world platform about 9,000 people are watching. So I want you to tell the world what you want to be done.
The police issue, I went to the police station to report. Okwuluora, you mentioned when you were sick, ambulance are there under 30 minutes. Ambulance, that one is a bit different than, because even if I go there to the police station now and lie down, like is anybody is anybody on, like, is it present? So the only thing they will tell me is their investigation. You need to let them do their investigation. So email from police will like update. If I call them to say,
Madam Flo, how would you pay these people their money? That is my problem.
About then my family, bringing my family here is I don't think it's really that necessary, to be honest. I don't think it's about my family here. I don't think it's not important here. It's not necessary.
Okay, madam, now tell us the solution, because the reason why you bring your family is to let the whole world know that you are able, you are capable.
The family Mary, they're very capable.
What do we do?
They have their own things to sort out. So bring it there.
Madam,
Hi.
how much did you collect from these people in this COS. How much will you tell the police? How much did you collect from them? How much?
Initially, we did the mathematics.
Total is how much?
I did not have my pen. I did not have my pen with me. How much was it?
I'll add it up and send.
So came last year, the berego the mother up. Why? Why? In a check one that came last year, the berego the mother up. Mother go in aloha.
Madam, the world are watching, the world are listening. And I want you to know that even on my platform, international communities are watching because I'm a freedom fighter, in case you don't know. The world are watching. In case I know the man of Yemano. CIA are watching, FBI are watching. Tell the world, approximately, this is the amount you collected. Since one day you have not added up. I want you to give us approximately. It may be smaller, it may be bigger, but let the world know. In case of, to stop this potential of 500 million, so that we know this is the amount you collected. Because that's very important. It's very important to tell the world. The way go on here, Natal. Come on, the money. They're going to have the name here. This is how to solve the problem.
Okay.
So how much do you collect?
Everybody involved now, £190,800. And from there, Ndi 16,500.
119,800.
In here for an area of 103,300.
103,300 put the total money approximately in a random money.
In here for I remove one among the Aqua Cherry Park.
I'm going to give what is back. Total of I'm going to give what is back.
16,500.
16,500 give what is back. So the outstanding money, again at random money, what about all the new account of is 103,500 according to you, right?
Yes.
Good. Or we for your kita, either this thing or not easy. So that over very that man, when they will start to say it is 500 million, it is 1 billion, they will know the amount you collected. Then the people that you collected this money from have added their own money. So what we are going to do is to drag them into this case. Because when you start to for payment, they will also bring the money which they added in the whole case. Or are you going to pay the whole money that they collected from those people? Is it not the amount you collected that you are going to pay? That is what you will pay. You will not pay for them. That is why it's important to set it in. So now, what do we do, madam? What is the way out to solve this problem in regard to paying this 103,500 pounds that is that you collected?
Okay. Like I said, Ejenam police, MNM report. Account to Nine Tipunubo, Enjenam and the police. Their investigation. They are investigating.
How long? Since November last year, investigation.
And when am I going
Madam,
to
when did you report to police?
I'll wait for them to finish their investigation. Marry had weapon.
Man. Prince, because Genomonti, Kuno water have frustrating all them fighting this thing. Akagomi ije akamje na police aha simeje na. Iya Madam Flo kuna ka ogwam November last year. Iya ka ogwam December last year. Iya be April 2024. What? Come on.
Say something. It's asking on the 5th of December, Njeri police. Hello.
Yes, listen, go ahead.
And I say, why EJJ police? I didn't follow it up there. All this year, thank you follow ya up. They are evidence. So, in the last year, the police, I didn't follow it up because they were saying, why EJJ police? I demand they might duplicate. I didn't follow it up. But the pressure was too much. They were accusing me now. I now followed it up. This year, evidence.
Madam Flo, ka nkwukwu ya ga n'iru ndị mmadụ. Ọ bụ na ị nwere conscience, enwegodi ihe ọzọ ikwu maka afọ a na-akpọ m. Madam Flo, ama m na enwe ihe ị ga-emenwu na baa kịta nweta 30 million naira. Ama m na enwe ife ị ga-displace na baa na nweta 30 million. people cannot continue to wait for you. Ka police respond. Obuni inwe ina ano onwege bompo gi sige madam ine mekwe mebere. Everywhere on internet Okwuluora picture iman enwe family na enwe well wishers. Iman on ebu fa mo. Iye me mero. Madam Flan ma watch na WhatsApp ile T status. Ide ewopu I change a picture T picture malumma. The people in our ego no na agony. Some of them were ajobi. Were the thing binye ndi po mashi. Kemgbe November, December, January, February, March. Ofu onye nwa mmadụ ka a na-akparị na the whole world. Na ihe ọmara anya ya. Madam Flo, Madam Flo, dị enu m ntị. Madam Flo. Madam Flo, Madam Flo, Madam Flo, achọrọ m ka ị na-eme anya na agwa m na enwere ihe inwe na Nigeria worth $1 million.
Who is married? Who is somebody say bring Mary up? Who is married in this case? Where is Mary?
Also, now one of those in our on the internet. So, ya continue na-ekwu. Also, now one of those who bua from Agari. Even though when Kahaku na na-eme onye nchọrọ imere fundraising emepe account IK ya 60-40. Oh, chukwu na ano, chukwu na afọ. Ọ mebe ekpere nsị ya.
Watching this program, can this Mary call the number?
No, Prince, no. Brother Prince, no. Ihe ba ime na program a bụ flow ikwu ndị mmadụ ụgwọ. Ya kwụọ ma Mary ụgwọ ya ka ha kwụsị ịkpọ m afa. Abịara m ebe a ka akpa akparịba mmadụ kwuba okwu ọjọọ. They have said enough. Also no fundi ọ nara ego, yes. Mary natara ndị nọ Nigeria nye ya nwa. On we right we want on your mother ego, but diverting to insult me when came out water raw. Madam Flo we take on our Mary. Onye Mary, nyonyo obona na biya nzuike. Oh yeah, kwesine now.
Okay. Now I understand. Because I knew I mentioned that maybe Mary Madam Flo
No. Mary nyeri ege. Oh Mary bonya senior 26,000.
So Mary is also a victim.
A victim, yes. Onye go Mary 9,000. Okay, no, so gwa na ka ọ gwara m.
Okay, when you Mary 9,000, maybe na for the
okay, say for 17,000.
Okay, 17,000. Okay. In regards to for that purpose, for that reason, there is no need for bringing Mary into the program right now. Anyway, the truth is established, and what my happiness is that Okwuluora is soliciting for solution. Okwuluora is asking for solution. How to treat this case? How to make sure that this case is sorted out amicably. Okwuluora did not collect money from anybody. Okwuluora did not know anything about COS. Okwuluora was not informed before the issue of COS and money payment about COS was done. It is only that in the forum, in the group where Okwuluora created, that Madam Flores dropped a message, like other people are dropping, and some people contacted her and begin to pay money to her. Now, those of you who are trying to castigate or kill Okwuluora, I want to ask you a question. If you build a house and people are using your house for a meeting ground, then you are not in the house. Then people come to your house to have meeting. At the same time, somebody gets the collected address of somebody in your house to his own house and go there and collect money from the person or dupe the person. Will you come and destroy? Will somebody come and destroy your house because the contact was made in your house? If somebody comes to bring your house down, will you accept that to happen? You didn't know about it. Your house is only a gathering where people come and share their problem and have meetings. Then you are not in the house. You are not aware. And somebody came in your house and having meeting in your house and discussed about business. Then go to the person who introduced the business to them in their own house.
Prince. How can achom kinyelu maka jua Mary, ekugo mo ku family Mary, osagba na family afa na ha nwe problem nke ha. enwe ka ihe si mee America akwa si ihe mee mmadụ na nwanne ka a ga-akpọ ma nwere ego ma nwere. I've told them everybody na-ege ife a family flow from Ifeno. Let me not say na ha nwere ego too much, but I had the well to do. And the Mary Amangwam no nwere ife onwe na Nigeria na abo o ga convert to cash. Solve 40% of this problem. Iye ife ro na ekwu na ka ọ na-agwa m adigo frustrated. Young women chana agwam with some victims send their threatening voice note no send go to police. Ngwakwo iwo nke ma offend the police na na threaten ya. Ayogo mu Mary biko nwere udi biko ma flow bro Mary flow. Ono na ege. Flow were ego ndị mmadụ nye ha. Onye nke ade onye nwe 20,000 he succeed any year 15 or 16. Onye anwe ike gbazie ege nkete. Ke nwoke Zimbabwe si na mara ebe ono. Nyenu ndị ego fa ma genu nu ni nwe na the thing ke ebe ọ dị. Ihe ifuru ọ na-ekwu ka ọ na-ekwu all the time. Ogwugo m ike. Ayogo m flow biko. Akpogo m ya. Send voice note. Test go m ya no way. Agwago m onye nke ya na adịna mma ojikwa akaụntụ ya na ego Chike. Asigo m Chike talk to this woman. Chike sim na ọ ga-agwụ ya okwu. Ngwakwa Chike sim na ya na ya fube ruo tata mụ na gị nọ. Ọ nkịta anyị na-ekwu ya na aka Chike a na-akpọ m na phone.
Okay.
Ike agwụgo m.
Okay. Madam Mary, now let us draw the curtain down. Let us conclude something. What are you going to do? Because you cannot wait. You cannot say you keep waiting for police to do the investigation before you begin to pay back the money you collected. That is not acceptable. And from the way Okwuluora is sounding, Okwuluora is making the world to see his sincerity and innocence in this whole case.
One year, more conscience.
So what are you going to do now? What is the assurance you are giving to the people you collected money from? How you are going to pay them back? This is what the world are waiting to hear. How do you go about it? You have started paying already, yes, and I applaud you for that. So what are you going to do? What is the? Can you tell us what you want to do next to salvage this situation? Over to you, Madam Mary, please.
Apart from reporting to police, account to Ndeba Punyerobo, I report to China. And when he go to watch anybody over. Ego get GG. And yet to Namonia, Yonya. And when he goes on, I don't have money.
On a picture flow send the most known workers in Zimbabwe. Yeah, she sent it to me.
I saw it. Picture, maybe picture.
Madam, have workers in Zimbabwe been declared wanted in UK by police?
And then I'm police picture, I'm a picture, I'm a address, my phone number. I've given.
What is the update in regards to that? What did the police tell you they are looking for him or they declare him wanted? What is the update? Can you know?
Ask him that they are investigating on it. If they need anything from me, they will call me. 2 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, they call me and we hear hashing with them, which I sent to them.
Okay. Okwuluora. There is one thing that I am very happy about this live program today. Because when I posted about you yesterday on my platform, a lot of people came after me. They begin to attack me. But I'm a freedom fighter, fighting for people's restoration does not mean that I will see my brother who is not in the struggle. Then someone from Bini will come to malign him, will come to intimidate him, will come to insult him, come and lie against him, and I will keep quiet. I will not do that. It may be you today, it may be another person tomorrow. So my happy and my joy is that the person that collected money for the COS is here and have vindicated you. Okwuluora, you've been vindicated outrightly, right and center. That you did not collect money from anybody.
One
Not know when the business was done.
let me chip in something.
And you are still fighting to see this, that there's a solution one thing that anybody that watches this program are going to take home. Nobody should call you any fraudster because you did not defraud anybody. You did not collect money from anybody. Your account was not sent money to. You did not talk to Madam Flo. Madam Flo has said it that you didn't know about it. She only dropped information in the platform and people begin to contact her in her own inbox. Or you don't know the format. Madam Flo dropped the format in her platform. Then the players now went to her and started telling her without consulting you. So you don't have any case to answer. So now, tell that man and Maria Iwaji should, whatever they want to do, and they want to take you to whatever, let them go ahead. And I want you to tell the world that you are ready to stand. If it is for you to go to UK to defend yourself or to any authority,
let me help you. Let me help you, brother. Let me help you, brother. I am not against a very dark man. Oh, Emma, you say what you were given or what you were shown. Oh, if I were ya koku. About a very dark man on a phone. If I could or carry queer. Even as I'm talking to you today, about on a phone, money I gave you, and the Abu truly. Let me come, brother. About truly. Na very dark man chorinye these people aka. Opo me ebo no no nge meet. Obugo di nke IG I geje. What we need to get justice is to team together. We need to team together called easy. Eme katagom one group ndezuru ego ha. Abom ha na the group yesterday. Nye information no di on ground. Somebody no kwa na the group ezuru ego record one my call. Send the other people on Facebook. Ale play. Kezi yo zongeme. Ebe obuna nkwuru okwu concerning this. Ndị nna azọ ka azọta ife ha. Na singa no onye no na group a na aburo victim. Onye no na group a na aburo victim. Why are you people like this? Onye nke mkpọ na phone ogwu ya na aga eme nka all record or ya send the alum mmadụ. Onu mu na fly in internet. Why should I continue to talk? Onye obuna ma aka ogenye ebe obuna ikpọ m ga-abịa. Edim ready ebe obuna. In fact, I will jebege already. What is it? Madam Flo Biko nu. Madam Flo Biko. Have conscience for once. Sikene ndi mmadụ na echi na iwete 20 million naira. Onye awere 2. Madam Flo ị ga-emenwu ya. Ọ bụ na ịma mmenwu ya ma na ọ bụ Chineke nwe ụwa. Madam Flo it too difficult. Agbọrọ gị sị gị madam negodim. Look at what I'm going through. Look at the ife people ji ma on internet. Onye tukwuru ano were picture m ti na akparị m na akọtọ m. Ọ bụ na ọ bụ Chukwu bunye enu akago m ịda. Aso onye Chukwu wunyere enu dịka ụnọ na onwere mmadụ ga-akwatu nwu ya. M sị gị Madam Flo biko. Since November ruo na enwebere ife ime. What else do I do? Asị na m ekwuro nkwuo etu wistie mgba nkịta asị na mgbaro nkịtị. Amazi m na m nọ n'enu ka m nọ n'ala ka m nọ n'etiti. Madam Flo biko nu. Biko, I beg you. Thank you.
And before we round up this program, if there is call that you should go to United Kingdom, I hope you are ready to go.
In flight to UK, brother, flight to UK was 6 hours. And we can before Neru Lagos na ya in the next flight in the next 10 hours I'm in London. I'm in London. Actually go me je no ha nwajide mu yawa mbiko. Na kwa m si na ncho inyere ha aka na obu na mbe London kita ha niile nwe problem. Mgbakwanu nkete. Mana nge ejezi now. I have to go.
Okwuluora, listen. Ndi Igbo so imagine zọgbu mmadụ ahapụ efi gbugokwu mmadụ. Your name is the one that is being destroyed. Your pedigree is being destroyed. Okay? So, if I were you, even though you did not collect money from anybody, even if you don't know about it, but because they want to drag you down, take any step. Forget about the consequences of whoever that will be deported or whoever that will be affected. It is a criminal offense to collect money from somebody. To do something with that person without doing it is a criminal offense everywhere in the world. So, since you are not involved, Okwuluora, take any step that is necessary to vindicate yourself. If it were that 20 people will be deported because of this, Okwuluora, for you to stand and be free from all these
Brother, ayogo mwanya biko. I don't beg madam. Obo na mwanya we conscience. Yeah, man na poto. Ayo, onwe, imane victims be in £2,000 so now. They won't talk to you for the next 6 months. They will come down. Madam Flo called to everybody. She blocked everybody. Even no one enjoy coming Madam Flo kuo. Mbaba chike yo chike biko. See I go Madam Flo pomo. Last time Madam Flo ku December joya. De katagom my voice note. Now but Madam Flo doesn't answer.
Can you go to United Kingdom High Commission in Abuja?
Yes. We are writing them already. Obro DJ actually put petition buje. Achom ka apozio and animal submit the phone number onyo obona bu victim. Nji. Honey in their UK number, their photo, I'm submitting everything. Everything. Kemezie ya obono omo dari ru ha kporom. Onye dari wu se kpore ya mazi mi yo son game.
You didn't do one thing by creating this group. You did not do anything bad. Somebody came in your group and dropped message and people begin to contact the person and start paying money. So how does it concern you? How does this concern you, Okwuluora? How is it your business? Can't you tell me that who will judge the case? In which court will the case be judged? Who will be the judge that will determine that you have committed any crime? By creating a forum and somebody came in that forum, dropped message and people begin to go to that person and begin to pay money. When problem comes, they begin to involve you. So who will judge it? God has, okay, you say you have started the process already. The United Kingdom High Commissioner in Nigeria should get involved in this case. The number and the passport information name and all the account that is involved should be submitted so that you will have your freedom. And all the people that are calling your name, all the people that are lying against you,
honey, ne onye obona tukpogo ma shi afia dị na petition. Don't worry. Don't worry.
It's okay. So they will be contacted one after the other. Maybe the hunter will become hunted.
Okuna fugo so far na Madam Flo kachiri obi. Enwe about 9,000 Igbo people watching. Hana yo fu onye biko Madam Flo. How do you settle these people? Oh yeah, Joroge. Madam Flo, I'm sure na can eba. Kora piri ka na ekwu mma. O my voice note isi na ige plays ya. Enwe onye isi na ngwa gị wopu 200 million na account gị na achọrọ block account gị. Ama m na ị ga-ekwu okwu maka nke ahụ.
Madam, can you play that voice note for us to hear, please?
I need to look for it.
Inwe ike kọrọ anyị akọrọ maka time.
We can post it for.
Onye si na ha jere na akaụntụ m na Nigeria ahụrụ 200 million. Ha Okwuluora ya Okwuluora akpọ m sị m na mkpupu dị cash.
Ngwa na-eden.
So I don't know when that happened. I'll find it for all phone ka nne.
Ọ ka unu na-afụ ebubo a na-ebo m. A na-ekwu ya n'ịntanetị unu na-eti. Madam Flo, ọkwa mụ nwa gwa gị si na Nigeria na akaụntụ gị kwụọ mmadụ ụgwọ ekwuru ya mechaa na-agwa m na efriz gị akaụntụ gị ọkwa eziokwu. Na-abarụ gị mba sị gị madam, but I told you to pay people. You isi m na ị nwere ego. Eluzie ka efriziri akaụntụ gị gwabazie m. Meaning that na ego na the account before. Ka Madam Flo ga-esi nwe 200 million na account. Nsị ya akwụ na mmadụ ya move ya for what? For what? Onye ọbụla nere onye aka ya dị ọcha n'ụwa na-ekwugide ya ma akwa na ọchukwu n'ụwa. Ma na ume anyị na-eku na mmadụ nwe ma a na-ajị na azụ okwu dị natural. Ọ ga-abụ ihe ike mee gị one day ka ị mara ebe o si. Iko obi na-atụkpe mmadụ ibe gị asị ya mara m onye ibe don mana out of hate. Onye ka ọ bụ o nwee crowd people na-esi ya people of ya ihe ọbụla ọ sị ndị Igbo mee ị nọrọ ebe ị nọ na-anwụ kama ị ga-ekpe ekpere si Chineke nye gị grace. Awata m ya n'anya emete m ya na ome no grace of God. May people ji film n'anya too much. Ebe ọbụla m pụta ndị mmadụ ju ka ị see photo how are you? I love you, I like you. I may some of you ji anwụ. Very dark man enwere m anything against him. Ọ ife enyere ya ka okwu. Ọ bụrụ na ọ kpọrọ m na phone ọ karịa ikwu ihe niile okwu. But it's well. All the wrong, but my target, brother, my target now is Flo, pay this money.
Very that man was so stupid. Very stupid for mentioning you. Then he said that he give you 24 hours. Who the hell is him?
Also, Chineke na-enye mmadụ 24 hours. Brother, don't worry. Let's not deviate. Anyway, you can listen, brother. Listen, calm down. Oh, and we can very dark man get I can wait a guy at the end. It's possible. Energy I should be, Madam Flo. Oh, now police in investigation came with how many months? 6 months or thereabout. Can you use in wiki make any of these people part of the money? Part of the money. Oh, if you know. Bikonu obu na inyere m ego ma na igwa m nsi gị nye mmadụ ego ma na nsi gị nye mmadụ ego, come and meet me or send your family meet emu na Enugu. Obugo na m enwere ego mbite ebite na anwụ mma ebite nwa ego, ọ bụ na nke gị bụ 10 million mma ebite nwu 3 million nye gị si gị biko nwee ndidi keke Madam Flo ga-esi jide ego gị na-akpọ m afa ebe ọbụla Okwuluora ebe ọbụla Okwuluora nkwuo nka anything m kwuru unu were ya mee content. Ihe ọbụla m kwuru unu were ya mee content. How do I get the police mba? Ka m kpọọ police mba? What do I do?
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me one minute. Calm down. For the fact that you are making wave on social media, you attract jealousy. Is a living evidence of what I'm talking about.
One day, the hate on me is too much. I want you from boy say now how are you? Okwuluora na-ekwu. Enwe ife mfule dey na social media. Brother, let me come. I want you mfu okwu something about me. Were na mbia boy say na good morning. Osimo na-ekwu si Okwuluora odigori show. Okwuluora gi nwakpom. Hey, God bless this day neighbor. Nsi na ke ihe mmege. Nene bi no na-ekwu jom na internet. Enwe ihe mmelu gi. Enwe ihe asị na mme. Ka ihe mmelu gi anochiri ngo ụzọ. Onwere ihe ọ ga-asị na mme. Onye si m na mpia nwe kidney problem or na mmia nwe kidney problem. Nsi a na ndị nwere ya dị too much na ike agwụgo m. No one after the other. Onye akpọ m ashị. Echi ọkpọ m ashị.
Cyber stalking is not only when you are bullying somebody and saying somebody is this or that. It is also when you are lying against somebody. Very dark man.
Man, I always pray, brother. I always pray. Onyo obuna. Let me tell you before you conclude, brother. Onwe ye na-ekwu every day. Brother Prince, let me say one thing before you conclude. Ebere m oge obuna my wish. Onyo obuna bụ mmadụ, whether onye Igbo, onye ebe obuna ị nọ. Ifo mụ n'anya. Anything ị na-ekpe ekpere. After praying for your family and yourself, pray for me. Enwe people nọ na Igbo kpọrọ m ashị for nothing. Ashị ha kpọrọ maka unu fom n'anya. Ha create a WhatsApp group. Ama m ndị nọ na WhatsApp group. Somebody leaked that information to me. Mana abụrụ m onye na-eburu ife abe post na social media with this sensitive information. Ha si na ha ma m oge agụụ na agụ mmenwe generator. Na m filu na ma arise go kịta. Na na-emezi mpako ebe ọbụla m bịara ndị mmadụ ju na-asụ oyibo na-eme all those things. My sources and the intelligence Chineke nyemu na-enyefa sleepless nights. They say they can do anything to bring me down. They pay blood. Onwe ndị bọọlụ Zeus. Si lo Zeus na achọrọ isendiri ego ka okwucha mụ ka okwujọ mụ. Lo Zeus si gịnị? Ka iyo Lo Zeus ka m na-agwa gị. Lo Zeus si ka iyo Okwuluora mere ọ ga-eji wee kwujọ ya. Ha si na his own is becoming too much. Everywhere Okwuluora. Na my own is becoming too much. Ya bụ ndị Igbo. Lo Zeus gbaa mụ. Simo Lo Zeus ask him. Osimo Okwuluora ndị Igbo be very careful. Na mma na-eso gị iru n'azụ n'etiti too much. Another man ma mkpa afọ kpọkwa m yesterday. Simo na ma amari, in fact na ihe nji agasa ọsọ m n'ụzọ bụ na ma amaro my capacity. Na ụdị mmadụ onye chọrọ igbu mgbu for nothing. Ọ bụrụ na nji hụ ụgwọ ma na ha ji m ụgwọ. Ha si na ha nọgo social media how many years? A small boy if from a poor background bịa konka. Onwe interview emere onye obodo. Onye obodo sị ya na onwere youth na ala Igbo nwe crowd nwe. Nke ahụ butere m attack. Just ya ha onye obodo kwu. Nsị aka ekwe n'ihe m ga-eme. Enwe onye nnọchiri ụzọ. Enwe onye ngwa people all of na. Even aka na-enyere ndị mmadụ. Some of them say na the way I help people. Even Dangote cannot do that. Who am I? Ab money na earn 10 million naira, we 9.5 million naira nye people aka. Nwanne eje mo okopoli na Unizik. Total money nkwere ụmụ akwụkwọ na nkwa bụ 6.8 million naira. I have only redeemed 1.5 million naira. I can joke I think 5.3 million naira. Ana m achọ ebe m ga-eweta 5.3 million naira na nye ụmụ akwụkwọ nkwere nkwa. O se chumuola abani. Onye nwere ego niile dị n'ụwa. Na ama ngwere nwu 1 naira nye nwa ogbenye. Nwaanyị isi mkpe ndị achụ na akwụkwọ enwere ụlọ ha bi. Ofuzi onye Chineke nyere ezigbo obi na-emi ya. Ọ na-anwụ. Why are people so wicked? Ọ bụ na Igbo nwa bụ Okwuluora kịta. Chika ọbara si na onye gburu mmadụ so onye agaba na ọ na-abịa. Igbo mụ kịta ịma ntọ n'ụwa. Monday mụ na gị ga-afụ na obodo afụdebe. Inwe ike gbuo mụ kịta. One day ị ga-anwụ. Ebe ahụ njere ị ga-abịa. You must come there. Amazi m ife ọzọ m ga-ekwu. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mazi Okwuluora. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na ọkịka na-ese okwu egburu na anya ukwu ka ndị Igbo ji emere onwe ha arụ. Mana ụdị mmadụ na-enwere ike ịgba nkịtị. I cannot keep quiet and see you trying to drag your fellow brother down because of envy and jealousy. Okwuluora, you are vindicated. Okwuluora, you have committed no crime.
Hi, Jesus Christ.
As long as this case is concerned, I can go to any length to make sure that I stand with you, because that is why I wrote on my platform that every Igbo person, every Biafran man or woman should stand to defend this our brother, because he has saved a lot of lives. And the people that are trying to bring you down, they cannot do that, but they think they can try. They will try anyway, but they can't do that. Madam Flo, the case is on you. You are the one that is in front line, carrying this case on your shoulder. Please do something to save
Biko,
these people.
Madam Flo, Biko.
There's no time for this taking anymore, because people that are involved, only when Jogo can look for his money by all means. And I like you for one thing, for coming out to say the truth and nothing but the truth, telling the world that the world has no hand in this case, and the world have collected money from nobody. But try and look for how to get this money to pay these people back. This is where I want to bring this program to an end. Thank you very much, Mazi Okwuluora. Until we meet again. Madam Flo, please do something.
Please allow her to say something for the last time. We can we
Madam, go ahead. Madam, go ahead.
What is the way forward, ma?
Police name investigate. Last year. I've explained to you. Last year I didn't follow it up. I just started following it up. Any evidence, Hacho. I don't.
Madam, Madam, hold on. It's not the way to talk, Madam. All of that is a word. No, it's not. It's wrong.
Investigation. One let me Madam Flo. I'm saying it for the last time. Your family were ego. Madam Flo, your family were ego. Your family were ego.
Oh my goodness me. Wait. Madam Flo, you know what case made that Ndi Igbo do you see one thing that I know to go on the yes. From what you are saying now, even if you go wayo. But I'm going to call you Hawaii. No, I'm going to call and I can't know. You put in there, look at you, you know, I'm who came to call you another, or another to come home and to give them their money back. All you say, we're going to go to the end of my people. I think I think that if I don't remember what you said, I'm going to find the baby. No, madam. I want to do it. I want to do it. You try to learn how to, when you talk to people that you are owing money, there is how you speak to them. It will calm them a little bit. All you know, we are with the authority that now will give you the end. No, madam. I want to get them here. No, how the baby is business.
I'm not with the authority. I'm not
before I mention this program.
So onwere ya chọrọ ikwu onye ọbụla very dark man a brother ka ịbụ ka ife ame ka nji wee follow bedi ya gị. So I want to thank you for all your I'm coming. I want to thank you for all your effort, very dark man, and ihe ọbụla ị ga-eme to solve this situation. Oge erigodi ishim, thank you very much. I condemn Oronge. You can go ahead, write petition even to UK government, UK embassy. For the fact in either petition, no game, settle all this issue. Very dark man, please. Akwonge nazo. Afutania nine make it a mean maka. Because I need a petition na. Ede the British government. Apokotanda ni ne bota mamuwa magenwa bia itukulana. Onye Diego Madunia udogade. So thank you very much and God bless everybody. No. A man onwe ka Chineke si eme ihe. A man onwe ka Chineke si eme ihe. Enwe ike bụ very dark man ga-enye anyị solution now. It might be. Order petition to UK embassy anyị nwere dekwugo. Afu nke very dark man dey fu nke anyị nwa dey. Spring into action. And the lawyers ga na akpọ ha na phone. Anyị etinye ga na akpọ ha. Ka ebute the file. Ka anyị mee onye ọbụla invite. UK embassy Nigeria make invite. Ị ga-abịa. UK government or home office make invite or police na UK ị ga-abịa. Ekpokọta onye ọbụla ọnụ. It's very simple.
That is correct. That is correct.
I'm not trying to be rude or open with authority. I'm even a victim. Like I said, if some of them came to my house. For years. I seen I'm going away. I can't have address in the rent one room is very easy in London. I can't rent one. Number man. Brother Mokwiborum and Madimonye when number baby. I seen Anna was on Nezo. I wouldn't have picked because I'm Mahumonye when number okay Iborum this morning, maybe Mona gave Buchaya. Number I've been using that number since 2005. I seen them when they mama you ask about me. And I made your job. Since in Garuda, here my first time he gets in touch with the police. So it's just unfortunate to be here, man. Oh, yeah, Ego Genjiwa. Around. I gave them some money. Nyonya. And where's it going to go for a man? A honey, a man who unasin and a with authority or a voice. I'm not like that. I'm not even happy now. Picture everywhere. People next time didn't leak. Waiting they happen. I'm at the money of very dark man until 2 days ago. Before very dark man, okwa iya na alinga. Okwa December asi na enwe onye nwụrụ anwụ. Ndị mmadụ na-abụ m ọnụ na onwe onye nye ego COS, enyere ya COS ọnwụọ. Mụ na ụnọ me COS. Mana enwere ihe niile a blackmail. Mana the truth bụ na eji ha ụgwọ. Apart from from akparịkatago maka COS, mkparị na adịzi nka good morning. Mana madam, the truth bụ na eji ha ụgwọ. Apart from the a post to picture maybe ugboro ịtọ, a post to go picture million times with the wrong caption. The truth bụ na eji ha ụgwọ, madam. Even all these content creators, some of them when they want to talk, they will put my picture one side. It's everywhere. Picture everywhere.
Yes, madam. Picture goes in everywhere because all who are the prime suspect here, not Okwuluora. I got that. So picture is everywhere. All who are the prime suspect, go and put the person who made this thing direct from Okwuluora platform. You know what is involved on the platform and that is what I'm trying to.
My brother, I created on business WhatsApp. And what onye ngwa me business na WhatsApp. When people say he created WhatsApp, in my why he created WhatsApp and why you kadi. WhatsApp and up to 1,000 messages every day. The same WhatsApp has a lot of students and all here you get a lot of people from depression. And then WhatsApp. Muma created the WhatsApp program by UK. A mega business there. Did I do business there? What business are we doing? Ijeme one post today, maybe 20 words. I don't basa come for ya. Eji ndo ogwa bezioku. Onye eji ogwa na watch ife now. Iyo na eche ka isi na enwe ihe nwere maybe isi nye go 1 month or 2 ka ịchọ buy. Ị na-ekwukwa okwu investigation. The same thing when I go na nwoke Zimbabwe agbafugo na onozi ya na ijego bi onozi na bia. Or you think investigation will bring him back ebe agbafugo? Onye ga-eji such money rapụ gị igba ọsọ. Ọ bụrụ eziokwu na inye nwoke Zimbabwe ego ahụ ọgbaga ọsọ. That is the truth. Ole so na inyeri ya. Enwe ndị na-ajụ gị na Darlington na-ajụ gị, Prince na-ajụ gị na gị send area evidence iji kwu nwoke Zimbabwe ụgwọ. Gị send area proof na credit the man that 100,000 pounds or what about 100 and something thousand pounds. Can you bring a proof iji wee kwuo nwoke a that money? Ọ bụ na iweta proof na ekwu that man, ga verify ya man egwu gị wa eziokwu.
Some of the victims so it's not that Egonina came to me direct. No.
Madam, I want you to compile all the money sent to this Zimbabwe person with evidence. Forward it to me.
I'll send it
copy to Okwuluora. It's very beautiful. Okwuluora, we are going to come back again. Looking at this whole thing, the world is now made understand. It's very clear that you did not take any money from anybody.
Brother, before you conclude, Onyisi, we are not going to converge. We are already taking action. And I hope na very dark man ga together. We need to come together. Oje UK mbosa from EM4 onwe valid UK visa. Obo very dark man dire the KJ UK mma gbaro very dark man ticket. I can pay his ticket and I want to go to UK with very dark man. Ka inya aka meifa. Very dark man nọrọ mụnwa nọrọ akpọta ndị a niile etukuru a na-emecha meeting na anyị na-eje police station. Onye gbazie ọsọ ama na enemy. Tell the very dark man, ma ọ bụ na ọ na-watch ya. I will buy very dark man's ticket to UK. Let's do it together.
It's all right. Thank you for your declaration, because this is a declaration. For you to promise to buy tickets for very dark man.
Yes, let's go together.
So that all of you will go and take it
The only way I get see what the solution no wa about din udo. Onye a na-agbakashi ọnụ, onye a na-agbakashi ọnụ. Enwere ebe a na-eje. I want to buy very dark man's ticket. Money I ga no seat to seat I je UK. Enwe mu UK visa very dark man nwe. Ka I je say kpọta ndị niile together. Mụ na very dark man ga lead the delegation to police. Ka mazie ife bụ na agwa police na enwe fraud a sị gị na na-eme investigation for 6 months. It's not possible. Enwere investigate crime fraud worth 100 and something thousand pounds. And people are going insane because of it. It cannot take 6 months investigation. A place is developed like UK. So onye very dark man we are say Biko. Let me speak say in English. Very dark man. Thank you very much for your support and all that. Thank you, brother. I need your help. We need to come together and tackle this issue. I'm free to go to UK now. I have UK visa and you returned recently, meaning you still have valid visa to the UK. I want to buy your air tickets. All we need to agree is dates. Abuja take off or Lagos take off. You give me your name. I will buy your ticket and buy mine, seat to seat. Let's go to London and fight this thing together, brother. Please. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mazi. Thank you. God bless you. As you have declared now, I believe that very dark man, will hear. But next time, my advice to very dark man is, if you want to talk about
allow him. Brother. When we have result, all these things will go away. If you start dragging it, it will be long. When we come to London and meet police,
the way you reason may be different from the way I reason. It's because I heard that you are involved in this case. That is why I called to hear from your side. That is why I called Madam Flo to hear from Madam Flo's side. If when that man is doing it wrong, we should correct him. We should put him in a chronological order. When that man, if he hears a story about somebody, contact that person. Contact that person. Ask that person his or her own set of story before you begin to threaten the person with police and the petition. No. You don't give a son of a liar that Okwuluora 24 hours to pay money that is not take, and you want me to just take it like that, look line and sinker. I can't take it. The way you reason the different way I reason, even if it's going to be of help to solve this whole situation, what you should have done was you are reachable. You can call and contact you on your platform. Write you, I want to talk to you, or you can call somebody, I need this guy's number. Then give it to him. He will contact, ask you what happened before we come and be threatening. I don't like it. Intimidation is one thing that I cannot take. I can take any other thing, but intimidation I don't want. So that is where I want to help you. So, Madam Flora, please, the world are waiting for your action. I believe after this discussion, you will go back and talk to your family members, maybe your husband and brothers and sisters. What they want from you is how to solve this problem, how to settle these people. That
Madam Flo, before we go, so you clarify yourself. Korapidi ka na toga sinazo. Within power bank in accord. And we sleep send him. And did that particular guy send him sleep be you okay? And you aho upon how close the money are they? This guy made business CCOS with Madam Flo without telling me. This guy Benimo State, my very good friend. Oh, your money and everything together. Always sleep or send him. What's not on account to the Guinea account to the go kunye that money in Nigeria. Ezio Kuka see him the sleep.
Who is the person?
Marapa fi monyo. O konye Nigerian account. What call 6 million ko kunye there.
No,
It's in okwu 6 million na Nigeria, kwa get 3,000 pounds. Us na that 6 million na account to digi ko kunye ria. And diga no worry.
How get that in any Nigerian account? I didn't just say he was finding it difficult, the person, how to send it.
But what I'm saying is that as in on account to digi edge him the sleep. As not on account to digi. Edge him the sleep.
No, he actually what led to me giving that person that.
Madam Flo, I'm telling you, in your account to digi kon in your simple thing.
No, he actually what led me to giving that person that Nigerian account? Because
Madam, we understood that I couldn't send the money to you internationally. Did you give him a local account to pay money?
Excuse me. Onyahu couldn't send the money. Onwehu pounds here to send. See, okay, ya could get here a Nigerian account because then when they go, somebody to the
Onyan with that Nigerian account.
I don't want to mention names here.
I'm just telling you, that's not digging with the account.
And the Onyahu Kunyerega, or what they no any here.
Or what I mean, ye could come now, Wagifa.
No, onye Kunyerego from here, onye Kuruna Naira account, or what they
I'm telling you, Nkemo, ye makana wage. As in that 6 million now, no, I can't to digi, Kakuria.
Onye she here, Kunyego, Naira, then over the name here. To what the person?
Man, as him on I can't to digi Kakuru Diego.
Okwuluora, onye Kunyerego Naira account. Any over the name here, any actually and condition. Nigerian account. Onya never. Also, no when who pounds or Manoga fully ego in Nigeria.
Brother, you made an open refund to go. That boy came back to Nigeria. And how were a court order? Jetting an account to the Madam Flo. At the court order on that account. Call to Jide the account. All the ka body go na nye the guy ego ka we rapụ the account. And there's ezigbo ego dị na data account.
Anything. Onye ewepụ n'ego ahụ na account ahụ nye back to that person.
Oh, and ego ka dị na data account. Unu achọrọ inye people ego ha.
Ego karịa na data account, ọwụmụ ego nọ na account.
Ọkwa inu na anụ now. Ndị Igbo ọkwa unu na anụ. Akaụntụ dị ya oji wee na mmadụ naira. Asị na anụrụ m ọ bụrụ fact. Anụ m na ezigbo ego ka dị na the account because ede petition. Ka ife nyere nwaanyị eyo di ya si ya biko.
Okwuluora, stop bringing my family here, please. Please. Ego nọrọgo dị na account. Ngwa jụọ ha ma ọmụwa transfer ego to that account. Ma transfer am ego to the account. Ọ hapụ ọkwa ka nsikwa nọ na ha si na ejere na account ma ọrụ 200 million. Okwuluora agwa m na move for the money.
Kai.
Can that person prove it?
Let me tell you before we go. I say kwam na egwuro gị wayo. But the truth bụ na ị chọrọ inyelu ndị aka. You don't want to help the victims. That is the truth.
Like, okay, ego nọrọgo dị na account. Ọwụhụ nwa account. Send the ego.
Madam, hold on.
I'm not remorseful.
Madam, how much profit did you make from this business? How much profit did you make from this business?
Profit in Mary, from the account,
How much?
I will write the list and send you.
Came with 6 months. It may be plus and minus. Came with 6 months. Unbelievable.
Don't worry. She said she will write the list and send you. I'm waiting. I don't come out in a case that I cannot finish. Me, no one. I'm very stubborn. She will give the details of everything. Then I will still present it to you. So that when petition in there, when get the going to do already, when you do everything. And madam, because you were maybe 2 days will be enough. By Tuesday, you will keep providing all these things need. So that they will keep finding out how to get this money back and pay these people.
Prince, let me say something. Ona nnọkịta ọ bụ na mbe bad business jide mmadụ ụgwọ. Enwere enyi m nwoke ji ego n'ụwa ama nnata ego wee kwụ ụgwọ bụzie my husband. Your husband.
Onye gwara gị na from ihe onye gwara gị na akụnyere akaụntụ. Mana ọ gwaghị gị na ewepụ na o were n'ego.
Madam, there is so much money in that account that you can borrow. Or see a dim biko. Ndị mmadụ na-esogharị mbiko. Brother, if I have account to digi, they say that no nke your husband, they say no buru ezioku. O nke digi. Account to abu digging where? I'm digging on Imo State. Yo haku. That boy gini ameri ya bata Nigeria. Bia Imo State. Bia made the case. I account to your husband.
Yeah, that back and forth does not make sense. The world are watching us. Over 15,000 people have watched this program live. Those that are coming and going. The due process should be as you have written to United Kingdom High Commissioner in Nigeria. The moment they will invite everybody, since also people that are there at the case, also we have a family here, or one by the time the Iri Ji Madam Flo, dear Gafata, you need to get to
Dia kunyere ego na account yo mala dia so.
This case is very, very open. This governor, very that man, interested in this case. Where I have issue with him was, trying to give you to fathers to pay money he did not collect. But let him present his case and submit his petition.
Brother,
all the people involved.
Brother, mbosi nji malo na Madam Flo actually inyelo aya akabo. I called Madam Flo, si ya nne biko. Manu na nwegi inwe na Nigeria ki inye this boy so obugodi 2 million or 10 or whatever. Madam Flo sim no jire ego na nworo shishi na Nigeria. One of the people kwenye eri ego wezie court order. Jida access bank Madam Flo. Madam Flo now sent me a screenshot on actually email transfer bu na eji account you eji. Na say so ni nwere ego before man igba m ni nwere ego. How come iji we choose email transfer or na bank iji account ge? You are sending them email ke man aga lift here. Who does that?
So ego re no one account.
I copy file I appear for more 20 hours. We will still be here. The truth is that the legal process has begun. And you get ready. If you are called to go to the UK, since you have the visa.
Immediately. Immediately.
You are following the process. So I will say, even I know I will be here so that we will get tomorrow morning. We will not get out of this place. Let us call it a day. Thank you very much, Madam Flora, for honoring this invitation to speak to our people. I am a Ghanaian in a man Carolaro. We will say it here. But what I did in natural computer medication, so I have to because money was paid into his account, even though you have paid back the person that sent that money. So, to this problem, you will come out and solve it. So far, not the call. Your brother can stay help, can wake his up and pay these people their money back. You cannot do this and put it on Okwuluora. No. Thank God you did not put it on him. Okwuluora, I'm signing out from here.
Thank you very much.
I remember. Thank you, my brother. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Kampo chicken, come on, Gaza, mo to go Bobble. Let me see if I can call him before and sign or out. Chike bo onye nke ejikwa akantụ ya ana ndị mmadụ ego na UK. Phone na hang kuzi hang self. Oh. Ah, the phone is hanging. The phone na hang. Achọ m ime call mana ọ na hang. So just one moment. Ka mmadụ m Chike. WhatsApp na hang. Oh. I need that particular guy. Call Mboya. But the calls are too much. Hey, Chike, let me call him before and sign out now. He's ringing. Hello, Mr. Chike, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nah, I'm going to sign you out. Phone you deal with me before and say I'm boggy. Mona Mary on a call for, I know here for over 1 hour. Mary actually in the mother go ha. Ima going several times. Say gigi yo ya biko. Florence, not Mary. Florence. Florence, your friend. You the Kubo na police name investigation came when November, December, January, February, March, April. People know kutom na kuta afa me benine. Mary na ko bisino jire go na police name investigation. Florence, sorry, Florence. I not confuse them. Florence says him only Imo State. I'm not going to Imo State. Imu yofuma, unu be London, and all your friend. Amazimi yours on gay, kumo yours on gagwa Florence. Go me hari aho. I'm live, yes. Yes.
Okay. My brother, I think this issue, it has been lingering. Our master plan in the beginning, where he have as a fake. The intention was not bad intention. The intention was good. But it's unfortunate.
One the rapper we know already. How do we give him the end way they're gonna call out now? Meeting no, I am about this background already. I may meet in a group on your some of the victims no on account to get wakahakunyo. So in fact the petition a day as I get there afage maka sleep ni na wete nwenke ba afage ya kam na asị kam yo no ke your flow man nwe go ga wete nyenda.
My brother, in that aspect, because you catch one road. that time about at least only who told you this first back to these people. Maria Buddhist thing now fire heaven and earth everywhere. From traditional Ogara Dibia Momo up to 10 Dibias.
Onye jikwa na egi ya na achọ ihe ya. Anọrọ m mara ekwuto Mary because ihe ya na-efu.
You approach in the right way, not in the wrong way. Here plan I'm going back to the my explanation today called before. The master plan, okay, I post on your inside. But how all who are Ghana air? Who's a say on the internet? Our target was Kaimuronia and Naka like this. Chudi, Engineer Chudi was involved. All our plan because I went.
Brother, Rapo plan on in FL go and him on about fault.
No, because in you can't destroy somebody. Why do you have Ronyori? I must be honest with you.
Konye feka siri afagi.
You are an innocent man.
Allow Ndi feka. Onesi fesa si afagi ke si fesa si afam. I don't think in anybody a post to go your picture. Man, a post to come everywhere.
So, I'm not
brother, and what on your fake I have never seen your picture anywhere. And what I again for anywhere. Seba hagi de bona sleep age you go na account okay. Oh mwa, can they post to my picture everywhere in the world? Chike, how can you help us? Mary, Flo, be your friend. How can you help us? Natural people go far.
This so-called Maria and so-called their friends know this place, that thing on internet. That might be Libya. Let them carry on. Because at the end of the day, our master plan will go Sonia inside us. I will network.
Chike, thank you very much. Iyem ne kwa brother yi na ekwu so kaira pia thank you very much. Chike no nwunye ejiri okwu. Eji account ya. Eji account ya wee kwụ ụgwọ.